Hi everybody. I had the need for an automatic transfer switch that can use solar first and use the power grid as a backup. I looked on the internet, did a search, and I couldn't find one. The only automatic transfer switches that you can get is those that use the power grid first and then use the solar as a backup. So I decided to design and build the demonstration model of one, and this is what I will be demonstrating today. It has two modes, an automatic mode and a manual mode. The automatic mode uses the solar first, and as soon as the battery's voltage drops beyond a certain level, it switches over automatically to the power grid. And then there's a manual mode where you can decide whether you want to use it only as the solar or only the grid to source your home load. The reason for that is I thought maybe sometimes you want to have your batteries charged to full before you change over to solar or to automatic mode, or you want to do maintenance on the solar side, so you just want the power grid to power your system, or whatever your reason may be. So I will explain to you the different parts of the system. Here you've got the three sources: the inverter, the grid, and the battery. And here you've got the different voltages: the battery voltage, the grid voltage, the inverter voltage, and the home load voltage. These voltages are DC because this is only a demonstration. So it's not the actual AC voltages. This is just to demonstrate how the system works. I also had to make provision for power failure, grid failure, as we live in South Africa, and that's quite a reality. So I've got a switch to simulate a power failure. Then you will see there's an indication that the power has failed. I will show you what the use of it is later on. Here you've got the voltage monitor. This one monitors the voltage of the solar batteries, and you can preset this system so that the solar disengages at a specific voltage and engages again at a different voltage. I've set it to disengage at 12.9 volt and to reconnect at 13.4 volt. So let me explain. At the moment it's in automatic mode, so it uses the solar first. As you can see, the home load uses this inverter as source. Now, as soon as the batteries discharge beyond 12.9, it switches over to grid automatically. As you can see, the home load is powered by the grid. As soon as the batteries charges again above a specific level, the solar is switched back on. The home load is powered by the solar. When the grid is on and there's a power grid failure, then it will switch automatically. That's an indication of a grid failure. It will switch automatically to the solar. As you can see, the home load is powered by the solar. When the grid comes back on, it switches back to grid, and the home load is powered by the grid. Now, when you select manual mode, I've selected grid at the moment, so the grid is on there, indicator. So again, when the grid fails, it switches on to solar automatically, gives you an indication that the grid has failed, and as soon as the grid comes back on, it switches back to grid. The home load is driven by the grid. When you select solar, it changes over to solar, and you can see the solar, the home load is driven by the solar. In this case, when the solar runs out, nothing happens, so one must just be cautious for that, because we have set it on solar for a specific purpose. And that is basically the way that the system works. Thank you.